you a check going on what the US markets then did, and it was a thin day of trading action in Thursday's regular session. So when you take a look at the 30 stock Dow, that's the one that eked out a narrow gain for its fifth winning day coming in, while the S&P 500 as well as the Nasdaq Composite also ended the session just below the flat line. So when you take a look at the three major US indexes that are in the green week to date, after posting strong back-to-back gains at the start of the holiday shortened week as well. So when you take a look at the S&P 500, 1.8% is the kind of uptick that you saw coming in so far this week. The broad market index also posted its best Christmas Eve performance since 1974 on Tuesday as well. That is what reports are indicating at this point. And the Dow, of course, has gained 1.1% this week as well. A run-up in mega cap tech stocks has also pushed the Nasdaq Composite 2.3% higher. That's the one from the pack that is outperforming, at least on a week-to-date basis. Now, when you take a look at the trading, that has been largely muted this week. Like I mentioned, investors also hope that stocks are going to be surging into the new year, spurred by the so-called Santa Claus rally. Now, this is something that we've been talking about for a very long time, but this refers to the market's tendency to rise in the final 5 trading days of the year and the first 2 in January. So that is something that we're marking on our calendars as well. But for now, this is what the action looks like, at least when it comes to Wall Street. With that, let's also get you a check going on what oil prices then did, because oil edged lower in light holiday trade as the dollar strength offset hopes for additional fiscal stimulus as well in China, the world's biggest oil importer. Then when you take a look at the price movements coming in for crude, you're looking at 32 cents of a downtick coming in for Brent, or 0.4% downtick coming in there about for Brent. $73 a barrel is where Brent was at. And when you take a look at US WTI, then that also closed down around that $69 a barrel mark, downtick of just about 0.7% coming in for that one, or a 48-cent downtick coming in for US WTI as well from Tuesday's pre-Christmas settlement. Now, the greenback continued to edge up higher after hitting a milestone last week as well, and a stronger dollar, of course, makes oil more expensive for holders of other currencies. So that is the latest coming in there. We're also watching out for the 3.2 million barrel decline in US stockpiles. So that is something that we're waiting for confirmation on, at least when it comes to oil prices. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.